Here's the hard truth. Success isn't about sudden dramatic changes. It's about consistency. And I get it. Nobody wants to hear that. We live in a world where people expect instant results. We want six-pack abs in a week, fluency in French after 3 Duolingo lessons, and financial freedom by next Friday. That's why flashy get-rich-quick schemes keep popping up. They promise wealth without effort. Just buy this course, trade this stock, invest in this random crypto, and boom, you're a millionaire. But let's be honest, if it were that easy, we'd all be on yachts sipping overpriced coconut water. The people who build real wealth? They aren't making January resolutions. They aren't waking up on January 1st with a perfectly optimized financial plan, a fridge full of meal-prepped quinoa bowls, and a brand new personality that suddenly loves saving money. They're making daily choices that set them up for life. Not big, dramatic, movie montage-style transformations. Just small, simple habits that they repeat over and over again until their bank accounts look really good. And the best part? You can do the same. Because financial success isn't about who you are. It's about what you do, consistently. So forget, new year, new you. Keep the old you. Just make them richer. Because you don't need to become a completely different person to be financially successful. You don't need to be some ultra-disciplined finance guru who never eats out, only wears thrift store clothes, and breaks out in hives at the thought of spending money. You just need a system that works. Something realistic. Something sustainable. Something that doesn't make you miserable. Because here's the thing. Money isn't just about numbers. It's emotional. It's psychological. It's tied to our habits, our upbringing, our beliefs, and even our stress levels. That's why so many people struggle with it. Not because they're lazy or irresponsible, but because they're human. And humans don't make perfect financial decisions all the time. We buy things we don't need because they make us feel good. We sign up for subscriptions we swear we'll cancel, but never do. We tell ourselves we'll start saving next month and then, oops, it's next year. Sound familiar? The good news is, you don't need superhuman discipline to turn things around. You just need a strategy that makes good financial habits automatic. So here's what I want you to do. Step 1. Audit your finances. Find out where your money is really going. And I mean really going. Not just, oh, I barely spend on anything. Because, let's be honest, we all lie to ourselves about our spending. Your bank statement doesn't lie, so pull it up. Look at every charge. That $4.99 Apple subscription you forgot about? Those late-night Uber Eats orders? That one-time splurge that mysteriously happens every week? It all adds up. But here's the thing. This isn't about shaming yourself. It's about getting clarity. Because once you know where your money is going, you can control where it goes next. Step 2. Automate your savings and investments. Because willpower is overrated. No, seriously. If you have to manually transfer money to savings every month, guess what's going to happen? Some months, you'll forget. Some months, you'll need that money for something else. Some months, you'll convince yourself you'll save double next time, but never do. So let's take willpower out of the equation. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings and investments. Even if it's just $10 a week, just start. Because money that moves itself is money that stays saved. Step 3. Create a budget that works for you. Not one that feels like punishment. A budget shouldn't feel like a straitjacket. It should feel like a game plan. If your budget tells you that you can never have fun, never eat out, and never buy anything nice, guess what? You'll rebel. That's just how humans work. So instead of forcing yourself into a budget you hate, build one that supports your goals while letting you enjoy life. Love coffee? Budget for it. Just don't pretend your daily Starbucks is a necessity. Want to travel? Set up a travel fund so you're planning for trips instead of going into debt for them. Like shopping? No problem. Just give yourself a spending limit so it doesn't wreck your finances. Money is a tool. Use it wisely. But don't treat it like some evil thing you have to avoid at all costs. And most importantly, stay consistent. Because a real financial reset isn't about changing who you are. It's about changing how you manage your money. It's about building systems that make smart financial decisions easier, not harder. It's about creating habits that make you wealthier over time, not trying to get rich overnight. So if you're ready to start building wealth the right way, without stress, without guilt, and without giving up everything you love, hit that subscribe button. Let's make this your best financial year yet.